Hey, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this particular video, we're gonna covering logical operators in the Python. So this is gonna be the 8th video of our Python tutorial for beginners series. And without wasting any further time, let's get started. So in Python, there are total 3 logical operators: and, or, and not. And this particular 3 logical operators are used to combine conditional statements. Suppose you are having two statements. First statement is x is less than y, and the second statement is x is greater than 5. Now you have to compare, or you have to analyze both the statement, and then you have to make a decision. Then you can use this logical operators. Suppose let's print my first statement will be 5 is greater than 6, and I will give and logical operator. So there are total 3. Let me mention here as well. So first will be and. So let's take an example of and logical operator. My first condition says 5 is greater than 6, and my second condition says 6 is less than 4. Now here the first condition is false and second condition is also false. Then the result of this particular whole statement should be false. Let's run. Here you can see it is false. If I do so, now here the both statements were false. Let's make it one statement true. Now I have make it this particular one first statement true. So 5 is less than 6, that is correct. This will return true. Then 6 less than 7, this will return false. But this is AND operator. For AND operator, if both the uh, elements are true, then only it will return true. Here one is false and second is true, so it should return false again. Let's execute. Here you can see it returned the false. Now let's make it both true. So now 5 less than 6, true. 6 greater than 4, true. Now this particular print statement should give result as true. So this is how the AND logical operator works. Let's move towards the second logical operator, that is OR. Or nothing but in OR logical operator, either one condition should be true to result the output as a true. Suppose here if you can see both the conditions are true, then if I use OR operator here, now what is the condition for OR operator to give it as a true? Either one condition should be true. So here the both conditions are true. So once I execute this program, it should return true. Let's make one condition false. I kept it as a 5 greater than 6. Now 5 is not greater than 6, so this is a false condition. Second condition, 6 greater than 4, is a true condition. But any one condition is true, that's why this particular print statement, because of the OR logical operator, give you the true value. Here you can see it is giving us the true value. Now let me make it others also false. Now both the conditions are false. So now it will give you the false result. Here you can see. So this is how the OR logical operator works in Python. Let's go towards the third logical operator, that is NOT. It's just to compare two values. And it will be like work as a negation. So now I'm having this 5 greater than 6. I will use OR operator here. So what it will do, let's use only one operator. So if I give not here, what it will print? So first thing is 5 greater than 6. Is this true? No, this is false. So output of this condition will be false. But when we are using not condition, it will reverse the result. So instead of printing this false, it will print true. me execute the program. Here you can see it is printing true. But if I remove this particular not keyword, then it will give you false because this condition is false. So this is how not operator works. It will just reverse the result. So this were the three logical operators from Python. If you are having any doubt related to these operators, ping in the comment. I will try to reply to your comment. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I will meet you in the next video.